My name's James Watkins, and for my semester project I decided to install a bidet in my bathroom. Bidets come in many shapes and sizes. The one I chose is a very simple bidet designed to be installed onto an already existing water closet with minimal adjustments and alterations. Here you can see all the different components included in this bidet pack that I bought. Also included is the owner's manual, and I want to mention that I read the entire owner's manual and familiarized myself with the installation process. Now, installing this bidet required that I shut off the water supply that supplies this water closet. I did that by rotating the shutoff valve clockwise. Once I was sure that the valve was shut off, I disconnected the hose from the body of the water closet. After shutting off the valve, I flushed the toilet multiple times to make sure that most of the water, all that I could get out of it, was removed from the tank. The next part of the process was to prepare an adapter that connects to the end of the hose, the water supply hose that comes from the wall, and enables the supply to be split so that both the water closet can be supplied with water and the bidet can be supplied with domestic water. Now, this particular element had a seal that needed to be installed, and it was crucial that I installed the seal in the correct direction so that it was watertight and it wasn't a point of leakage. I connected the female portion of this adapter to the male portion of the water closet, and the female portion of the water supply hose to the male portion of this adapter. And as you can see, it has a branch off of it, and that's what the bidet will connect to, so that both the water closet and the bidet will be supplied with domestic water. The next step in the process was to remove the seat, and this involved flipping up those plastic covers that clicked down and covered the exposed bolt heads. And this was done by sliding a knife underneath until I found the tab and then flipping it up. Now, this exposed the plastic bolt that holds the seat to the body of the water closet, and after finding the correct drill head, I was able to remove those quite easily. Next, I had to prepare the body of the bidet. I did this by inserting silicone pads onto the bottom of the bidet where it connects to the ceramic body of the water closet. And this was to prevent the bidet from slipping around post-installation. These circular pieces fit into the body of the bidet, and they have that slot in them so that it's part of the universal aspect of this bidet system. That slot allows the bidet to be fastened to multiple different kinds of water closets. This point is illustrated below as I adjusted the bidet to be in a good location so that it functioned properly, and adjusted the slots so that the bidet was pushed both forward and backwards in the location I wanted and side to side in the location that I wanted. I then reinstalled the toilet seat on top of the body of the bidet. Now that the body of the bidet is securely fastened to the toilet, it's time to connect the water supply hose to the adapter that we installed previously in the video. Because of the extra height gained by the toilet seat after installing the bidet, the pack included these spacers, which I installed to ensure that the seat sat evenly on the body of the water closet. I tested the bidet at this point for functionality and for any leaks, which is an important step in the process, and I'm happy to say it works great.